Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Facebook Purchase Pixel event code to Shopify. This is essential for tracking purchases through Facebook ads. So, let's get started. First, you have to log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and then click Login. After logging in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. It's right next to the gear icon. Now select Apps and Sales Channels. Here you'll find the Facebook integration, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. If you haven't, then you didn't install it. To install it, go to the Shopify App Store and then search for Facebook. Now install the Facebook Pixel Conversion API. There will be a button to install it. Now integrate the Pixel. In the Facebook integration sections, click on Setup Facebook. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account and add accounts. During the setup, Shopify will automatically install your Facebook Pixel. To manually add the purchase event, you can go to Online Store section and click on Themes. Just go back to your Shopify dashboard and then go to Online Store and then select Themes. Here, next to Customize, click on the three dots of your theme, then select Edit Code. Now you can add Facebook purchase events code before the closing in the body tag and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added the Facebook Purchase Pixel events code to Shopify, ensuring accurate tracking of conversions. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any further more questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.